Hello everyone and welcome back to another video where I'm doing yet another prompt challenge. Hello everyone, Sam here. Right, once again we've got our character card, situation card and a place with a situation and character. So my children have done these. As I said before, it is absolutely terrifying because they like a laugh, bless them. They really do. I'm stalling. Right, character. Situation. Just gonna go for it. Situation. Oh, this was not a good idea of mine. Not a good idea at all. Place. Right, okay. We have... Are you ready for this? Apologies in advance. I feel the need to apologise for this. We have Freddy Freaker. Okay, we will discuss who Freddy Freaker is at a later date. Freddy Freaker is solving a murder. Where is Freddy Freaker solving a murder? Milliways restaurant at the end of the universe by Children Rock. Okay, we have Freddy Freaker solving a murder at Milliways, the restaurant at the end of the universe. Okay, people, be prepared. Okay, so I may have lost the first little bit of the recording, but it's fine. It's absolutely fine. Anyway, for some reason I decided to do it like a comic book. I don't quite know why. This has just kind of happened. But anyway, who is Freddy Freaker? I don't know. He's this yellow guy that sort of sways from side to side, saying, you know, cool for fun kind of thing, with a number, and it's a whole thing. And my daughter loves him. She thinks he's hilarious and absolutely great. So, seriously, Google Freddy Freaker. It's a whole thing. But anyway, basically, Milliways. Okay, what is Milliways? Milliways is from Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, which is beyond amazing, and my childhood, absolutely. And Milliways is a restaurant at the end of the universe, so you can travel forward in time to this restaurant that's in a time bubble and watch the universe exploding, which is lovely. And then obviously travel back again because you're in a time bubble, so you're fine. And it's a whole thing, and the idea is you can put some money away in a bank account by the time you get to the future, because of compound interest you would have already paid for your meal. So hey, it's a cheap night out as well. So this is actually the Milliways sign on obviously everyone, this is the original TV program, okay, not the movie. We're going original, although originally, I'm such a nerd. Originally, it was a radio show. Then it was books, and then I think it was the TV thing. Did the books come before the TV thing? I can't remember now. That's annoying. Oh well. Anyway, that's kind of what happened. It was originally a radio show, and I remember being a kid and listening to it, and yeah, there you go. It's been running for years and years and years. But yes, my father taught me well. I don't know, like, are you watching this, Dad? Hi. Thanks for this. But yeah, so the comic is Freddy Freaker has gone to Milliways and he's really excited. And there's a scene, and if you look, somebody's got a knife and there's a gun, or it's supposed to be a gun. I think we've established I can't draw guns. And there's a Pangalactic gargle blast that will possibly kill you if you drink it. So there's lots of like things that could have killed. It's kind of Arthur Dent. Arthur Dent's fine. He's absolutely fine, but somebody may have tried to kill Arthur Dent. So that's actually Arthur Dent lying there in the next one. Oh dear. Oh, I shouldn't be allowed. But basically he's come to the restaurant, and there's all this scene going on, and that in that corner that's like this creature that wants to be eaten. That's a whole thing. And he finds Arthur on the floor, and it's like, right, I'm having it. I saw sort of a close-up on his face, his intense face. And anyway, so that's what I am doing. I tried to do it with, it's kind of up the top there. The colour is Posca pens because they just happen to have the exact colours that I needed to do that Milliways sign. and Freddy Freaker is in yellow. I was going to do it like, what's those comics that are just black and white and one colour, but I thought that was a bit too much like those comics, so I didn't. And I really want to do all the Milliways colours, so most of it is sort of blacks and greys and stuff, except for Freddy Freaker and the Milliways sign. So I quite like this one, you know. I'm quite happy with this. This is me attempting to paint the universe exploding. Just go with me on it. Sometimes you just accept the person's intent rather than their terrible execution. But that's what I'm attempting to do. I should have practiced first. Maybe that would have been a useful thing to do, but did I? No, I did not. I just went straight into it. Maybe that's my problem. I just don't have the time. I'm so behind on these. I haven't uploaded. Well, me recording this is probably going to be uploaded in like 3 weeks' time. But I've got 5 things to do. Oh my lord, have I got a lot of cat hairs on me. We have lots of cats. Don't judge me. They get pregnant. What am I going to do? Get rid of them? No, we keep them. So ignore that. Anyway, yes, so I'm trying to record a load all on the same day because I've already done the drawings and stuff. I just haven't got around to this. Work has been problematic as it often is, so I'm very behind on stuff. I'm sure there was a point to that. Oh yeah, why I don't practice and just go in and keep my fingers crossed. I don't have the time. I really wish I did. Oh, if only. Could you like and subscribe and get me to 10 billion zillion subscribers, and then maybe I could like take a day off work? That would be nice. Possibly I'm aiming a little bit high there. Just a tad. Possibly. But it'd be nice, wouldn't it? Wouldn't that be good? Yeah, for me anyway. If you could like and subscribe, oh go on, I'm doing my best. That's the thing about this. I'm trying. I'm not a great artist. I'm not, but I enjoy it and I want to get better. So I figure this is sort of me documenting my art journey. There you go. And just it doesn't always. You see some people's drawings and you just go through Instagram or you go through your YouTube recommended and you're just looking at these pictures and you're thinking, oh, how is that a picture? It's perfect. And it kind of brings me down a little bit because I'm thinking, I don't think I can ever do that. I mean, occasionally, oops, yeah, that was a bit of a mistake. We're going to ignore that. Occasionally I do something and it looks like what I meant it to be. You can tell, but so, yeah, and sometimes it can be a bit down. So I think it's important to share, you know, other types of art. That's my story anyway. Anyway, back to this. I'm doing a bit of shading with it's sort of like a beige coloured Posca pen, which I think it went all right. I can't remember if I colour in the little fella. We've got some aliens at the back there. That's it's supposed to be a guy in like a trilby hat at the back there, and another guy with loads of like octopusy arms kind of thing. Oh, I do colour it in. Oh, I gave up on my black and white then. Fair enough. This creature is a cow-type creature that has been bred to want to be eaten. It done off bring up some questions, does Hitchhiker's Guide, and they refuse to eat him because he's like, oh, have a bit of my rump. Oh, go down lovely, that would. And they refuse. And on cue, my cat starts meowing at me to remind me creatures are real. Yes, hello. Hi, I love you too. But that's a weird one. And they have a green salad instead. And then Zaphod says, no, we'll all have steaks, it's fine. So if you ever get the chance to watch the original TV series, read the books, listen to the original drama play on the radio, I would definitely say it is well worth your time. It asks lots of questions and is incredibly funny and awfully English. But yeah, Arthur is all of us, just left in the vacuum of space. He's fine though. He's absolutely fine. He learns how to fly in the books, so that's the whole thing. And he gets a girlfriend and finds the parting words from God. So it's all thing. It basically apologises for the mess, but there you go. Anyway, back to this. Oh, and there's loads of on the TV show. There's loads of just ferns. There's just ferns everywhere. I guess they were trying to make the restaurant lush because it's supposed to be like the place to be. Would be really, wouldn't it? So this is me attempting to do lots of ferns. I like it. I do like the effect. But I think if you'd seen it, you'd get it. There's me testing to see if it's dry. Was it dry? I hope it was dry. Yeah, slightly lighter colour. I've got these other... What are these? I can't even remember. These other paint pens that I got. Oh, to try and remember what they're called, but I can't. They go very dry very quickly, I must say. So I probably shouldn't say what they are because don't buy them. But yeah, the Posca pens work well. A couple of layers anyway, and trying to figure out what thickness to use and all that kind of thing. But he's supposed to be holding at this stage, he sees the dead body, he goes right, and he becomes a detective. And he's got what again is supposed to be like a trilby. I don't know if it looks like that, but it's supposed to be. And he's supposed to be holding a magnifying glass. I think I had to go in back afterwards and put like the glass in the microphone glass. And then my daughter said, don't forget his abs. He's got abs and his tummy. And yes, I'll go back over it. You can see it better in real life than you can there. But he's got his abs. And I'm attempting shading. I don't know if I manage it, but it's more shading than I've done before. I haven't really used Poscas before. I've had Poscas for ages and haven't really used them. Oh, this is this is the universe exploding. This is what it'll look like in my head, apparently. So lots of red swirls. I don't know. I think I gave up at this point, thinking I'll just tell them what it's supposed to look like. That'll be fine. But anyway, this is what I got up to. We shall peel it in a minute. That's always fun. But I like this. I like what I did. I like the concept. Again, I'm not the greatest at the art, but I'm trying. You got to give me that. Oh, why didn't you move the camera up, Sam? Why didn't you do that? But anyway, I'm putting some veins on his eyeballs. That's never a fun sentence to say, is it? But anyway, I'm just sort of adding a bit. I'm trying a bit of the green. I don't know what this pen is. I think it's a random one I got in a subscription box. But there we go. That is my little comic book page. I don't know why. This is Arthur. He always wears this. He basically gets caught in his pyjamas and nightgown. So he's just stuck in that now. So this is his stripy pyjamas and nightgown. There you go, and there's peeling all off. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. It would be awesome of you to do. It's an itty bitty channel and I really, really appreciate it. You've no idea. But anyway, I will see you next time for whatever we end up getting up to. Bye.